Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber. Today we got a little something different. I'm putting myself to the challenge to see if I can make a fan edit in under 15 minutes. Destroy Lonely just dropped a new music video and I decided why don't I put myself to the test, try to make a fan edit in under 15 minutes, so let's get to it. So we're going to start off in Premiere Pro. We're going to get our audio, we're going to chop it up, and then we're going to bring it to After Effects to do the effect. We got the timer right here. Alright, so right now we have the video imported. We don't have it dragged in. Once I drag it in, we're going to start it. We're going to get the audio first, and we're just going to get random clips from it. I'm going to try to do this part as fast as possible so we save time for the effects, because I don't think the sequencing will matter as much as the effect. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. I bet. So we're just gonna get the audio right now. Let's just see it.
Big range ain't no vote. Big chain, this ain't choke. She like when her neck get choked. I know that her boyfriend knows. You tell white lies like cocaine.
How long is that? 15 seconds.
She tryna eat my rings. She try to suck my dick. I went to sleep dead, bro. I woke up to rings. I ain't never ever at the front. I got a black truck sitting up front. My main bitch got a big butt. I give a big F for my gun.
Alright, that's cool. We can keep that long. Alright, now we have to get the clips from the video, so we can unlink it. Now we can just get random clips. I'm gonna try and make this faster paced, so I want a lot of different type of clips. So let me just do this as quick as possible.
Rats came in hello. Fuck this girl on vogue. Big range ain't no vogue. Big chain, this ain't choke. She like when her neck get choked. I know that her boyfriend knows. You tell white lies like
Play it real quick.
She tryna eat my rings. She try to suck my dick. I went to sleep dead, bro. I woke up to rings. I ain't never ever at the front. I got a black truck sitting up front. My main bitch got a big butt. I give it butt.
Alright, we need one more clip. We need one more clip.
Bitch got a big butt. I give a big F for my gun.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we got a sequence right now. Gonna save it real quick, and then we're gonna hop into After Effects. So we got in After Effects, we're just gonna drag into composition. See.
She tryna eat my.
Alright, cool. Let's just go hop into it. Alright, we gotta move that timer so we can see our effects. Let's start cooking up, man. So I think right now we're just gonna do the transitions. So I'm just gonna throw in some adjustment layers. We're gonna do some basic transitions. I'm gonna hop into my transition pack, and I'm gonna use a seamless flash. So literally what this effect is an exposure turned up and then a directional blur, so it adds flash like that. If y'all want to cop these, it is on my store. I got a whole lot of transitions, so I'm gonna just throw some on right now. Telling you guys, you will save a lot of time with it. So let me just get another one. Let's do this one right here. Let's just match it to the clip. Something like this.
She try to suck my dick. Eat my rings. She try to suck my dick.
Turn off the flash from this.
She try to suck my dick. She try to suck my dick.
Let's throw in our pulses effect as well. Put this up here. Just duplicate it. Let's throw in the tritone effect as well in between these. Down. We got 7 minutes. Cool. Let's do tritone effect here. So I have made a tutorial on the tritone. Basically it's just the exposure, noise, and a bleach bypass. Y'all can see it in the corner right there. We're gonna go to, where is it, tritone. We're gonna change the color to something darker, like a orange, darkish orange. This. Mess around with the opacity 100. Go to the start of the clip, turn it down to 0. Oh, got to keyframe it. 100, go to the end of it, you know, to 0. Let's do something a little different here. Cool. Alright, let's do a little rotoscope on this, and let's do the random background effect that I've done before. Hopefully this roto does not mess me up, because sometimes it can take a while. Under this clip, I'm not gonna make this roto perfect. I'm just having it do its thing right here. Just see, might be a tiny bit off. If it is, it's whatever. So we're gonna hop onto this. We're just gonna drag in our random edit background. So as you can see, as you can see, pixel motion blur, random edits, and the flicker. Have this in here. We're gonna duplicate this. Roto. Opacity at 0. Go up a bit. Keyframe up to 100. Keep that 100. Down. See, that's what I'm saying. The roto brush is risky because it kills my PC sometimes, but this is kind of cool. Let's just leave it how it is. It's whatever. See? Alright, let's show something from the Ken Carson pack. Let's get an adjustment layer. Oh, we got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes. Let's show him something from the Ken Carson pack. What do we want? Let's show him the president effect. Duplicate this. Put it here. Duplicate it. Put it here. We gotta remove the president effect off it. And just so it has like these bright flickers. Let's do a zoom out transition. Actually, I have it in my pack, so this is gonna save me a lot of time. Yo, ooh, bro, we need to speed up, man. I just deeped. Left. Just throw in this transition. Let's throw in right seamless flash transition. Got 1 minute and 40. So I'm stressing low key. Let's put a displace on it. Displace effect. And then we can just have the opacity go down on this because this is the last clip. Alright, cool. This is so messy, bro. My timeline is messy, bro. Let's mess around with this. Let's just play it real quick.
She tryna eat my wrist. She tryna suck my dick. I went to sleep dead, bro. I woke up too late.
Oops.
Never had the front. I had a black. I had a black truck sitting. I had a black truck sitting there.
What else we got? Let's throw in another pulses.
I had a black truck. I had a black truck sitting. I had a black truck.
Let's zoom in.
I had a black.
Is this position scale 9? This alright, we got 10 seconds. Let's see.
I had a black truck sitting there.
Okay, we're done. Hold on. Alright, we're done. Bro, that was stressful. Okay, that was very stressful. I thought I could get more done. I'm telling you, when you edit, time goes by very fast. What can save you with that? Editing packs, bro. I'm telling you, when you guys edit, if you find a cool ass effect, save it. Always save it, because it will save you so much time. If I had to do this by scratch, I would only had 10% of this done. And I'm telling you guys, preset packs is really the way to go, just to save yourself time. And I am selling preset packs. They're on my website, so make sure to go check them out. They will save you a lot of time, and they are high quality. So let's get to the video. Let's see how it ended up.
She tryna eat my wrist. She tryna suck my dick. I went to sleep dead, bro. I woke up too late. I ain't never had the front. I had a black truck sitting up front. My main bitch got a big butt. I get the big F in my.
So if you guys messed with this video, like, subscribe, and follow my socials down below. And if you want me to do anything more like this, let me know down below in the comments.